My boyfriend said I'm the prettiest when I shut up in front of his friends.
Bro, I think he's the biggest red flag alive.
Absolutely.
if you're in a relationship, भाई ऐसा तू बंदी को अपने एक इवेंट लेके जा रहा है and you are making a joke on her in front of your friends. That's the worst thing a boyfriend can do. Am I overreacting? Girl call me insecure for not wanting a poly relationship. It's like her ego is getting so ऐसा attacked. How can you say no? You are insecure.
Yeah, तूने मेरे को मना कर दिया.
हाँ तू गलत है. You are fucking married and you want to cheat on your husband. You probably are cheating on your husband. पता नहीं 10-15 कौन सा बंदा तूने पिक किया है. और वो बंदा is being nice and telling you कि hey, I'm not judging you, but I am not interested.
Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Imposters.
Yes,
Today,
sir.
We have a new segment, slightly on some similar lines, but somewhat different as well. It's called Am I Overreacting?
Yeah.
So we have some overreactions from Reddit, and as usual, we are here to judge
If they are overreacting or not.
if they're overreacting or not. Okay, so the first one. My boyfriend said I'm the prettiest when I shut up in front of his friends. My boyfriend, 25 male, and I, 22 female, were invited to a birthday party of his friend. The people at this event were all close friends of his from his contract job, and I barely knew these people. Everyone was going fine, and my BF was clearly having a great time. But at some point, I was telling a story from my school days when my BF interrupted and said, "You know, her name is the prettiest when she shuts up." Everyone laughed, and my BF just kept going, saying, "You guys don't know what I go through." She never stops talking. I swear to God, sometimes I tune her out for my own sanity or something along those lines. I'm usually really introverted, but when I warm up to someone, I'm the type to talk a lot. So when he said these words, I felt so embarrassed and humiliated, especially since he said it so casually in front of the people I don't even know. I tried to brush it. I tried to brush it off, but I got quiet after that. Later, after the party was over, I told him how hurtful his comment was. He rolled his eyes and said I was being too sensitive and that it was just a joke and I was making a big deal out of nothing. He said I embarrassed him by acting cold for the rest of the night and also said that I should learn to take a joke. He also told me if I couldn't learn to lighten up, maybe I shouldn't come to events with his friends anymore, even though he was the one who asked me to come in the first place.
Bro, I think he's the biggest red flag alive.
Absolutely.
If you're in a relationship, भाई ऐसा तू बंदी को अपने एक इवेंट लेके जा रहा है and you are making a joke on her in front of your friends. That's the worst thing a boyfriend can do.
Yes.
Like, firstly, you're telling her to shut up.
Yeah.
And you're basically, she's prettiest when she shuts up. Bro, you're calling her dumb. Like a white blonde who only looks pretty, but when she opens her mouth, there's no personality.
Absolutely.
And just annoying as fuck. भाई तुम रिलेशनशिप में सर्वाइव कैसे करो? आई डोंट गेट द फैक्ट ब्रो. मतलब अपनी बंदी के ऊपर जोक मत मारो यार. इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद हर, इफ शी इज डूइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, you go and tell her in private, not in front of 10 people. And here she's not doing anything wrong. She's just trying to talk.
Yeah.
So I don't know what his issue is. If you have so much problem with her talking, just fucking leave.
Yeah, absolutely.
And she doesn't deserve him. Like, she deserves someone who allows her to do whatever fuck she wants to do. Not even allow. She can do whatever the fuck she wants to do. भाई बात करने से ही मना कर रहा है तो कैसा रिलेशनशिप है?
And especially, I feel that which guy doesn't like a yapper girl.
Exactly, bro.
मतलब कि for me, so I am a yapper, but अगर वो सामने वाली बात कर रही है तो मैं तो सुनता ही रहूँगा कि ठीक है तू बोल दे, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Yeah.
And especially, like, I think we have spoken about this before also, कि you can't humiliate someone in public unnecessarily.
Yeah. Especially your
unnecessarily
girlfriend.
भी जो भी, but like especially not your girlfriend or someone. And to like say such a statement that she's the prettiest when she's like quiet or something.
Yeah.
एक तो the number one thing is that you're often complimenting on her looks as well. And number two, it's just that you don't like her talking,
Yeah.
which ultimately means that when she opens her mouth, she's just talking rubbish.
Yeah.
So it's a dig on both her looks and and her personality. So I think that's the biggest red flag, like you said.
Yeah.
And like the question, I think we both collectively think that in no sense and in like anyone in their rightest mind wouldn't think that she's overreacting.
Exactly, bro. Bro, just fucking slap him and leave, bro. At that point, मतलब जैसे सब friends के सामने.
And and also the overreaction.
Yeah.
It was just a joke and this and that, etc. But at the end, it's not a joke. Like it is you, you know, telling your own thoughts
Yeah.
in the form of a joke. Like obviously there's some
Exactly.
truth to it.
100%.
You 100% mean that.
और तेरे ऐसे 10 दोस्त है ब्रो, 50 दोस्त है, जितने भी है, सब पे मारना, बस एक बंदी को छोड़ के सब पे जोक्स मारना ब्रो. Who's telling you to not crack jokes? Talk. I mean, if it's wrong to just say to anyone, even if she's not your girlfriend, but तेरे को इतना ही शौक है जोक मारने का ब्रो, अपनी बंदी पे तो मत मार. She's yours bro. Like you have to fucking respect her in public and in private.
Yeah, and you also so this also makes you think that if you wanted to say all those things and if you wanted her to shut up,
Yeah.
then why the hell did you bring her there?
Exactly.
Like you
bro.
asked her to be there,
Yeah.
and then you offered it like you know joking around कि ये तो नहीं बोले तो ही अच्छा है.
Yeah.
तो लेके क्यों गया फिर? And then तू बाद में भी बोल रहा है कि नहीं जोक था, तू मेरे साथ मत आया कर and all those things.
Exactly.
So it doesn't sum up.
100%. और वो चल ठीक है, तूने गलती से बोल दिया, मस्ती में बोल दिया, तू ड्रंक था, तू ड्रंक भी नहीं था, बट वो फ्लो में जोक में निकल गया. आफ्टर दैट योर गर्लफ्रेंड इज कन्फ्रंटिंग यू कि ब्रो तूने क्यों बोला, व्हाई डिड यू से दैट, आई फेल्ट बैड. ही इज फकिंग ट्राइंग टू प्रूव इट्स राइट ब्रो. नहीं, यू हैव टू शट अप, लर्न टू टेक अ जोक. नो ब्रो, व्हाई वुड शी लर्न टू टेक अ जोक? It wasn't even a joke.
Yeah.
You were just blatantly rude in front of your friends. So fucking apologize. If you can't apologize, then bro, it's a very toxic trait of yours.
It's also from the fact that it shows a mentality कि you just brought her to show everyone कि you know I'm in a relationship or something, like you know I'm not alone kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But at the same time you also want to establish that authority over her.
Exactly.
कि you know I'm the kind of dominant one, or you know she's dumb and ये बस मेरी बात सुनती है and all those things. वो होता है ना कोई लोगों के बस दोस्तों के सामने दिखाओ कि मेरा कुछ वट है and all those things.
Yeah.
So it also explains a lot about that.
Yeah, male ego ki bro. The next one. Am I overreacting or this is actually dismissive? It won't hurt to have all possibilities checked no matter the probability. Well, I had an MRI last week that shows I have pituitary adenoma. What the fuck is this? Fancy word for tumor. They just don't know if it's active or not. Wow. Don't know what to say or think. I'll pray for you. My mom and I have never really been close. She's always acted like I'm overreacting about my health issues and is usually dismissive. So naturally, I never really say anything. And to be honest, I don't really talk to her at all. Well, I had an MRI that shows a tumor and my doctors are wondering if it's stemming from possible Men's syndrome, which is a genetic disorder. Due to this, it would be really helpful to doctors to know if my family has this disorder or had this disorder before. So I simply asked my mom about her side of the family and if she happened to know anything about my dad's, and this was her response. I know it's hard to decipher through text, but knowing her history of being dismissive about any concerns I have with my health, I wouldn't be surprised. I'm just trying to not get peeved over it.
A bit tricky because it involves her mom, but I
Yeah.
feel that see, I'm assuming that she must be like 25, 30, 35 or something like that. And her mom would be obviously, you know, 50 plus, 60 plus.
Yeah.
So I think it's very difficult to, you know, understand from text messages कि सामने वाला क्या actually, you know, क्या emotion में बोलना चाहता है. Especially from a boomer generation.
Yeah.
Like, you know, let's be honest.
Yeah.
Example अगर like, you know, हमारी mom कुछ लिख रही है chat पे,
हाँ.
अभी like समझेगा नहीं. ये एक्चुअली क्या इमोशन से बोल रही है.
Correct.
एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से कि कोई बच्चा है लाइक इन अ रेस इफ ही हैज कम सेकंड और लाइक यू नो कोई भी ऐसा टेस्ट वेस्ट में तो ऐसा चैट पे लिख दिया वेरी गुड
हाँ.
और उन्हें बच्चे को लग रहा है तारीफ हो रही है बट क्या मालूम सरकास्टिक हो
हाँ, भाई,
क्योंकि
very good,
एक्सपेक्टेशन में
भाई.
फर्स्ट
हाँ.
आना था
Yeah.
है ना. तो फिर पेरेंट्स का इट्स अ बिट डिफिकल्ट ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट इट्स ऑब्वियसली अ बिट रूड
Yeah.
and it seems that you know you don't care for your child enough. So if you look at her previous text, like you know she's also you know consulting her child कि you know check all the मतलब कि it won't hurt to have all the possibilities checked. So obviously you know she's a bit concerned. That shows. उसके बाद वाला response wasn't apt.
Yeah.
Obviously
Yeah.
I'll pray for you and all those things. It's your kid. Obviously you'll have to pray for her. There's no way that you'll say that explicitly.
Yeah.
बट या आई थिंक कि ऐसी चीजें यू नो कॉल पे या इन पर्सन अगर यू नो बातें हो तो ही
Yeah.
बेटर समझेगा.
Yeah.
बट आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट हर मॉम शुड हैव डन इज लाइक यू नो कॉल्ड हर इमीडिएटली आफ्टर दैट
Exactly.
और यू नो वो उसको टेक्स्ट पे लिख देना चाहिए था कि वेट आई विल कॉल यू और आई विल बी विद यू, आई विल यू नो कम टू योर प्लेस और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. On the face of it, or like you know like for obviously she is not overreacting. And also see like ना कोई लोग का नेचर होता है मतलब कि like since they are birth only कि they are a certain way and my mom tells this कि अगर किसी का कोई नेचर है बाय बर्थ या इनहेरेंट है ना, नो मैटर व्हाट लाइक यू कैन चेंज दैट एंड यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. Like she has mentioned that her mom is you know obviously a bit dismissive about all these health concerns. तो अगर अगर उसकी मॉम का खुद का हेल्थ कंसर्न होता, उसकी मॉम का होता, उसके हस्बैंड का होता, तो मे बी उसका सेम रिएक्शन ही रहता. आई नो इट्स रूड बट इट्स जस्ट हाउ शी इज. तो वो एक्सेप्ट तो करना पड़ेगा, बट इट्स ऑब्वियसली नॉट अ गुड पोजीशन टू बी इन एज अ चाइल्ड कि मैं जाऊँ किसके पास बात करने.
एग्जैक्टली मतलब तूने जो पॉइंट बोला कि टेक्स्ट में पता नहीं चलेगा कि क्या रिएक्शन है, बट उसका जो पॉइंट था कि हमेशा से वो डिसमिसिव रही है कि कुछ भी हो जाए कि हाँ bro, क्या ही है. सो आई एम विद दैट गर्ल साइड की ब्रो ठीक है, मतलब मेरी मॉम को नहीं बता पाऊंगा, मेरी मॉम ही इतना लाइटली ले रही है कि चल आई प्रे फॉर यू. ऑफ कोर्स यू विल हैव टू प्रे फॉर मी एट सम पॉइंट, यू माइट हैव टू पे फॉर मी एज वेल फॉर माय ट्रीटमेंट, बट ब्रो एटलीस्ट बी थोड़ा शो यू आर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट माय हेल्थ. एंड इट्स नॉट ऐसा छोटा मोटा कि चल पैर में कुछ लग गया ब्रो, ऑलमोस्ट ट्यूमर के चांसेस है ऑलमोस्ट. वो इसलिए पूछ रही है कि फैमिली में किसी को है कि नहीं, ताकि उसको पता चले कि चांसेस कितने हैं मेरे मरने के या तो नहीं मरने के. तो मैं अगर अपनी मॉम को टेक्स्ट करूँ कि ब्रो वो ट्यूमर है, माय मॉम विल लिटरली कॉल मी अप. सबको 50 घर वालों को कॉल करेगी कि ब्रो कुछ हो गया, चलो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं जिधर है. एंड हर आई प्रे फॉर यू ब्रो. इट्स ठीक है, यू आर डिसमिसिव, इट्स योर नेचर, बट यू विल हैव टू चेंज योर सेल्फ बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ वेरी गुड एस्पेक्ट टू हैव. तेरे को पता है कि तू गलत कर रही है, तेरी बेटी को भी पता है, एंड शी मस्ट हैव पॉइंटेड इट आउट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. सो इफ यू आर स्टिल नॉट विलिंग टू चेंज, दैट मीन्स यू आर एट फॉल्ट. ठीक है, आई गेट द फैक्ट दैट कि नेचर वैसा है कि, बट ब्रो एटलीस्ट प्रिटेंड टू केयर. दैट्स द लीस्ट यू कैन डू.
The next one, am I overreacting about these emails my boyfriend got? So these are screenshots from Bumble. Bumble Buzz, boom, it's a match. Tinder, verify your email. OnlyFans, this is the confirmation that your account has been deleted by your request. It's pretty common sense that you only get these emails when you have an account. Yet he says, I don't know why I keep getting those emails. Mind you, I was out of town when he received those 3 emails. Last time I was out of town without him, he did the same thing and texted his ex-GF.
Bro, this guy is thirsty. Bro, मतलब जब उसने mention किया है कि when I was out of town last time also he texted his ex and probably did a similar thing, मतलब ये सभी download किया रहेगा. It just shows that he's waiting for you to leave. He wants to try somewhere else. कि हाँ bro, this is the perfect opportunity for me to cheat. So I'll just text my ex, I'll download these apps, and as soon as she's back, I'll delete these apps.
Yeah.
And the fact that he's saying, I don't know why I keep getting these mails. You fucker, you know exactly why you're getting these mails. He's 100% trying to cheat, or else he is already cheating, and he can't even cover his ass. Bro, just fucking run as far as you can, bro. This guy is not for you. He's just a thirsty motherfucker.
I just feel that this guy is single. This guy in his own mind.
Yeah.
For you also, he is single.
Yeah.
But I am very curious to check what is Bumble Buzz, because Bumble में 3 type है. There is normal Bumble dating. There is फिर Bumble BFF. And there is this Bumble Buzz.
Oh, I think he's a little gay, bro.
तो Bumble Buzz कुछ तो है. Bumble Buzz is Bumble's blog and news section offering articles and insights on dating relationships and the Bumble app itself, including trends, advices and user stories.
वाह, प्रिपरेशन कर रहा
ये
है.
जो गूगल बोल रहा है, तो ये बंदा फुल रिसर्च मोड पे निकला है. ये पूरा थीसिस लिखेगा कि अभी क्या करना है. The only good 3 things out of this email is that he has deleted his OnlyFans account.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you for being a bit considerate and going out in the market and
Yeah.
trying
You are
in
the
real
best
life.
fucking boyfriend out there, bro.
Yeah, idiot. कुछ भी कर रहा है. But it's also very मतलब it's very stupid also.
Yeah.
It's like, see, I am not kind of vouching कि जो कर रहा है सही कर रहा है. Obviously एकदम गलत ही कर रहा है.
हाँ.
बट खुले में मत कर.
Exactly भाई.
खुले में मत कर. Like
कर ही मत,
girlfriend, तू कर ही मत.
हाँ.
वही है point.
हाँ.
But मतलब it's like you're trying to show her कि मैं ये सब करता हूँ.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
It's like कि you are with your girlfriend. And you're hanging out with her,
Yeah.
and she's all the time just talking to her male best friend. And you'll be like,
Exactly, bro. Just
क्यों बात कर रही है? मैं बैठा हूँ तेरे साथ. इतना
Exactly.
क्यों बात कर रही है constantly?
वही bro.
है ना? Which
हाँ.
जो होता है कि मतलब नहीं करना चाहिए,
हाँ।
बट इतना खुला तो चुतियाप मत कर मेरे साथ।
कर रहा है ऊपर से क्या बोला, आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम
हाँ,
गेटिंग
but
दिस। यू थिंक ब्रो शी वाज born yesterday bro? Girls are 10 times smarter than guys,
Smarter,
man.
100%.
Just stop saying all
And-
this bullshit.
And the sad part is he feels that him downloading all these dating apps and things like that, उसने अगर डाउनलोड कर लिया ना सामने वाली ने, जो तू एक्शन एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था इन अ वीक,
Yeah.
वो उसको एक दिन के अंदर उसके लाइक सिल्वर
Exactly.
प्लेटर पे उसके पास होगा.
आराम से होगा ब्रो.
So I don't know what guys think. Again, I was not justifying. I was saying कि इतना खुला मत कर कि
हाँ.
सामने वाली सोचे कि तो हर्ट करने पे तुला है मेरे को.
Exactly.
ये खुला नहीं भी करता तो भी हर्ट ही कर रहा है, बट बता रहा हूँ कुछ.
शुभ अपनी स्टोरी कवर अप कर रहा है. Next one. Am I overreacting? My boyfriend's friend made a joke saying I'm scary to look at. Okay. My boyfriend's friend recently made a joke saying you are scary to look at, but no one says anything about it. I thought this was really rude. Immediately after that, sent me a picture of bad parking joke and said, guess what gender this is? I'm starting to really not like this person. He calls women fat and ugly. He even likes to joke and make mean comments to my boyfriend about his appearance. My boyfriend is still hanging out with him. I'm still stuck on the fact that he said that to me. Am I crazy or was that really rude? Okay, edit. I should have added that my boyfriend did try to defend me and tell him to back off, but his friend got mad or offended and unfollowed me on social medias. But my boyfriend is still hanging out with him and I don't know how to feel. I think your boyfriend is a little gay, bro.
So I think the friend in question is Andrew Tate. Definitely 100%. Same vibes, and I can just imagine Andrew Tate saying that. So she's fat and ugly, and I'll
Yeah.
call her fat and ugly. उसमें लिखा ना,
Yeah.
like he calls women fat and ugly.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think this is a line where all the people in so all the people in a relationship to draw a line
Yeah.
कि मेरा दोस्त मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड को क्या बोलेगा क्या नहीं बोलेगा and all those things.
Yeah.
Because ये हमने I think again पहले भी बात की है कि it's your place to take a stand.
Yeah.
And obviously not to hang out with the same person again and again and
Exactly, bro.
again.
50 बार मैंने पढ़ लिया. My boyfriend is still hanging out with him. भाई ऐसा क्या दे रहा है देखो.
मतलब like you said, gay. और like तो ultra super rich होगा सामने वाला.
Yeah.
Like or he has his nudes. Just 3 explanations.
Yeah, bro. मतलब ऐसा कि तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड की बुराई कर रहा है and ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ ऐसा नॉर्मली मजाक कर रहा है कि चल बैंटर है. Bro, he's literally calling your girlfriend scary. इससे ज्यादा क्या बुरा हो सकता है भाई. मतलब तू बोल तो दे, चल देखो बचपन का दोस्त है, आई गेट द फैक्ट दैट कि ब्रो हम दोनों चल मिठी भाई के, तूने नंदिनी को कुछ बोल दिया, आई लेट इट गो एक बार के लिए कि चल ऐसे ही बचपन के दोस्त है. बट तू बार बार बोल रहा है, इवन आई बी लाइक कि ब्रो स्टॉप, मैं कन्फ्रंट तो करूंगा ना एटलीस्ट. मैं इट्स फाइन दैट यू डोंट ऐसा कि मैं हैंग आउट करना ही छोड़ दूं, नहीं करना है मत कर, बट एटलीस्ट बात करके सॉल्व तो कर. बंदा कन्फ्रंट भी नहीं कर रहा और बोल रहा है कन्फ्रंट किया तो अनफॉलो कर दिया सोशल मीडिया पे. इससे ज्यादा और क्या खराब हो सकता है ब्रो.
मतलब and it's like कि I'm just thinking उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा रहेगा कि she's scary to look at, और उसका ऐसे बॉयफ्रेंड सोच रहा है ये बात तो बराबर कर रहा है बट तू कैसे बोल सकता है, बोल तो खाली मैं ही सकता हूँ. है ना, ऐसा मतलब बट एंड ये पता है मेरे को क्या लग रहा है, एज फार एज आई एम लाइक ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड हिज साइकोलॉजी. ये जो उसने लिखा है ना कि he did try to confront him and and asked him to back off, ये भी शायद से दिखावे के लिए किया होगा, ऐसा मेरे को लगता है.
हाँ करेक्ट.
बिकॉज इफ यू एक्चुअली जेन्युइनली मेंट इट तो उसके साथ बात करना, हैंग आउट करना सब बंद कर दिया होता.
या
वो तो देखो पता है कि मेरे मुंह पे मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड को और भी उसके सामने उसको स्कैरी बोल दिया है,
हाँ
और भी और लाइक देयर आर मोर 10 पीपल अराउंड अस, तो मैं एक्शन नहीं लूंगा तो मैं चूतिया लूंगा.
Exactly.
तो यू आर लाइक कि मैं कुछ बोल देता हूँ,
Yeah.
वरना लोग बोलेंगे कि यार इसने कुछ बोला नहीं.
एग्जैक्टली. और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड ने एक दो बार उसको बोला रहा है कि ब्रो तू क्यों नहीं कुछ बोल रहा, तो उसने सिर्फ गर्लफ्रेंड को दिखाने के लिए बोल दिया कि भाई मत करना, तो नहीं समझ में आ रहेगा, और फिर उसने फिर अनफॉलो कर दिया. और गर्लफ्रेंड ने ऑफ कोर्स पॉइंट आउट किया कि ब्रो ही अनफॉलोड मी जस्ट बिकॉज़ यू टोल्ड हिम नॉट टू डू दिस. इजंट दैट स्टूपिड और इजंट दैट रियली मीन? एंड दैट गाय अगेन नेक्स्ट डे ब्रो पार्टी करने चल रहा है क्या?
चल रहे हैं,
भाई क्या बंदे हैं ब्रो. आई जेन्युइनली फील बैड फॉर गर्ल्स बिकॉज़ देयर आर such shitty guys out there, bro.
Yeah.
Like boys are so stupid. Like they don't know what to do, how to handle a relationship. It's just either they are just thirsty or they are dumb as fuck, or they don't know what to say, when to say, how to say things.
And this happens in case of in case scenarios where all the stupid guys have the nice girls.
Exactly.
All
bro.
the stupid guys having the nice girls, and like the nice girl is suffering and वो कुछ भी
Yeah.
कर रहा है, वो careless है.
Yeah.
मतलब you know, and you know, for all these things, like you know,
Yeah.
not taking a stand,
Hmm.
and we are like हम बैठे single हो गए.
और वो बंदी लोग मतलब ऐसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ शी इज डेटिंग समवन लाइक दिस शी
Like
केयर्स सो
this
मच
मतलब मेरे को
दैट
क्यों point कर रहा हूँ?
क्या
अच्छा this मेरे को लगा this मतलब मेरे को
नहीं
point
नहीं
है.
नहीं मतलब someone like this like stupid ass motherfucker and this chick is dating him she won't even leave him because she cares so much वो actually बंदियों में ट्रेड होता है ना कि चल I'll fix him
Yeah.
I care for him
Yeah.
I love him जो बंदे में होना चाहिए बट वो तो चूतिया वगैरह है दुनिया भर का और वो बंदी छोड़ भी नहीं है because she has those feelings तो genuinely bro whenever girls say कि bro कोई बंदा ही नहीं है अच्छा bro मार्केट में I agree yes bro नहीं है कोई बंदा अच्छा मार्केट में
नहीं है कोई
कुछ
लोग
of course exception bro
कुछ है ये अभी अगर इसका रील कटेगा तो अगर ये अगर रील थोड़ा वायरल हो गया ना तो सारे लौंडे कमेंट सेक्शन में ओ भाई पिक मी एटीट्यूड निखिल को टैग करके लिखेंगे वो लोग बोलेंगे अबे भाई मैं हूं ना मार्केट में क्यों बोल रहा कोई नहीं है. ओके द नेक्स्ट वन इज अ बिट सैड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. Am I overreacting? My sister was killed by train and my uncle sent this message to my mom. It says, can you please delete the 2 photos of her in the bathing suits? Those photos are too explicit for this occasion. Only the photos showing her beautiful smile should be presented when requesting financial donations. Thank you. He never gave condolences. He never called. He is on my father's side of the family. My entire father's side refuses to donate to my sister's GoFundMe for her burial because of how she was dressed in the photos. This is the only thing he had to say to my mother. My sister was eccentric and carefree.
और ये I laugh because bro ऐसा हम कुछ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं शुभम के जोन हमेशा ऐसे रहते हैं ब्रो समथिंग रियली फनी फक्ड अप फिर एकदम डीप मैं बेंचो इमोशन कैसे चेंज करूं
तू कुछ नहीं तो अभी और थोड़ा मेरे साथ रहेगा तो सीख जाएगा लाइफ कैसे बैलेंस करना
Bro, last topic was literally about a guy calling that chick ugly or whatever scary to look at. इधर बंदी मर गई. Bro, पूरा genre change कर देता है बंदा.
calling women fat and ugly all those things.
Fucking insane. But bro, yeah, this is very serious. We shouldn't be laughing. But I don't know, bro. I don't know what to say. His point is correct कि चल ठीक है तू ऐसे pictures मत डाल. But bro, at least थोड़ा context तो set कर कि bro sorry आपकी ये like whatever died. I feel really bad for you. I feel really sorry. Can you just delete this picture? It's about the way of conveying the message. The way he did it is absolutely brutal. कि भाई मेरे को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता कोई मर गया क्या हो गया change these pictures or we are not donating anything.
Correct.
Which is really bad. And bro, she can post whatever picture she wants to. Like if you don't
It's
want to
her
donate,
daughter.
if you don't want to donate, don't donate. It's fine. If you don't like those pictures, don't donate. Nobody's holding a gun on your head and saying, "Oh, donate." नहीं है तो मत करना ब्रो फालतू में अपना ओपिनियन क्यों दे रहा है कि तू पिक्चर चेंज कर व्हेन शी इज गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ब्रो हर मॉम इज लाइक लिटरली ब्रो बेटी मर गई है जो भी मतलब सिस्टर बेटी जो भी मर गई है ब्रो इतना जारी रहेगी ऑलरेडी और उसके तू बोल रहा है कि ये चेंज कर वो चेंज कर शी डजंट इवन गिव अ फक अबाउट ऑल दिस बिकॉज़ ब्रो समवन हैज डाइड समवन क्लोज टू हर हैज डाइड हाउ कैन यू इवन से दिस
And see, till some extent, I do understand that you might be a bit old school. तो तेरे को लगता होगा कि ये सब photos नहीं होने चाहिए. तूने अगर तू उसको like you said, तू जो वे में convey कर रहा है, that is still fine. But तू पहले condolences दे. You call them up, you say you're sorry, you be for them, like you फिर be there for them. And after that, you can put across your point कि hey, I think कि कि it is a burial ceremony and this. So अगर ये 2 photo replace हो सकते हैं तो अच्छा रहेगा ऐसा सब. ये एक ऐसा formal email type कर रहा है जैसे अपने अपने उसको बस है कि तू जा ये तू काम करके और लास्ट में थैंक यू लिख रहा है. मतलब it's like a proper work email kind of thing कि तू जो कर रहा है सब गलत कर रहा है please change this thank you. So the way of conveying was absolutely pathetic. Second, not her place to say that sorry not his place to say that
100%
like and obviously not in this scenario opinions and each one is entitled to their own opinion but at least like there's a way to say it and there's a place to say it and the right timing to say
exactly
it and this guy has I think violated all 3
everything bro
all 3 so unnecessary
very unnecessary
not overreacting
yeah bro okay the last one am I overreacting God call me insecure for not wanting a poly relationship
तू है तेरे को पता नहीं बट तू है so it's her choice
तेरी बंदी नहीं तो नहीं बोला I met this girl on Bumble and we were getting along fine. And about a week into talking, she mentioned she was in a poly relationship. It wasn't in a bio. Turns out she's married. She asked me if I would ever be in a poly relationship, and I said I could never do it, but I don't hold anything against you. I was willing to be casual friends with her. Her tone changed rather quickly, and she said I was insecure, and that's why I could never do it. I felt rather disrespected and blocked her then and there. I showed her respect just for her to call me insecure.
See, एक मिनट भाई, एक मिनट में आ रहा है यार, एक मिनट में आ रहा है. The number one thing I believe is that अगर तुमको भाभी मिली है तो don't let go of her.
Yeah.
नहीं, but on a serious note,
क्या बोला था मैंने? अच्छे बंदे एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते.
जो मारा आदमी. but I like मैं जो भी बोल रहा था on a serious note, like it is so stupid to just throw around the word insecure.
Yeah.
And you're in a poly relationship, you're married, and there's this nice guy who is still being very kind to you.
Yeah.
I'm not judging you,
Yeah.
but I don't want to do it because I
Exactly,
believe in
yeah.
monogamy.
Yeah.
जो भी बोलते हो उसको,
हाँ.
जो but it's so stupid. Like तेरे को बोलना चाहिए था कि you are not with one person, you are insecure.
Yeah, exactly.
You are
bro.
insecure, bro.
It's like her ego is getting so attacked. How can you say no? You are insecure.
Yeah, तूने मेरे को मना कर दिया.
हाँ, तू गलत है. You are fucking married and you want to cheat on your husband. You probably are cheating on your husband. पता नहीं 10-15 कौन सा बंदा तूने पिक किया है. और वो बंदा is being nice and telling you कि hey, I'm not judging you, but I am not interested. It's fine if you are doing it, but I don't want to be a part of it. भाई बहुत अच्छा बंदा, बहुत अच्छे वे में रिजेक्ट किया है और तू इसको इनसिक्योर बोल रही है. भाई जूते से मारता मैं. इनसिक्योर कैसे हुआ मैं? Just finding different ways of cheating and making it acceptable. यहाँ ब्रो पॉली टर्म दे देते हैं इसको. It's allowed to cheat. You sleep with other girls, I sleep with other guys, but you are married. Don't fucking get married, no bro. Why are you giving these things terms and it's making it acceptable in society कि oh I'm in a poly relationship. Poly bro sounds so cool. No bro, you are just making cheating acceptable in the society.
Yeah, you're just too horny. You have a lot of hormones that can't be balanced probably. And also in a podcast, I don't remember who, but in relation to Bollywood only. So there's one guy who is into, मतलब कि not a part of the Bollywood, like film fraternity, but like a reporter or something. He was just mentioning कि in Bollywood, like this is so casual and so like it just happens.
Yeah.
So what their mentality might be that they are so overworked and like there's this world of glitz and glamour and everything. So they get carried away. They sleep with whoever they want.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, emotionally they come back to that one person.
Correct.
So I'm like कि तो अच्छा तो मतलब वहाँ पर शादी का पर्पस अगेन लाइक आई एम नॉट फॉर इट बट वहाँ पर शादी का पर्पस ही यही है कि इमोशनली ऑल माई लव एंड दिस इज फॉर दिस पर्सन बट आई विल गो अराउंड एंड डू एनीथिंग एंड एंड इट्स आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पॉइंट आई जस्ट थॉट कि अगर ये दोनों को ही चल रहा है और ये फिर जिसके साथ चीट कर रहा है उसको भी चल रहा है तो सभी खुश है. मतलब
शादी ही क्यों कर रहे हो? That is my point.
मतलब वही मतलब कि ये तो फिर वो हो गया लाइक क्योंकि अगर तुमको बच्चा करना है तो एटलीस्ट इन योर इंडियन कम्युनिटी तुमको शादी तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि दीस टर्म्स आर ट्रेंडिंग ब्रो. ऐसे यूएस में तो वेस्टर्न कल्चर में इट्स तो वेरी नॉर्मल बट इट्स सो रॉन्ग. लाइक इट्स सो रॉन्ग. यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इन योर हेड where you can't commit to one person and you're cheating but you want to stay with that person, so you're coming up with these excuses, these terms, making it acceptable for everyone कि हाँ ब्रो ये तो पॉली है ना. अच्छा ठीक है पॉली में है तो देन इट्स फाइन.
दे आर लाइक कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मेरा जो भी सब इमोशनल बैगेज है वो एक ही बंदी के साथ या बंदे के साथ एंड जो मेरा हवस है वो पूरे बाकी गाँव के साथ.
दीज पीपल नीड थेरेपी. मतलब ऑनेस्टली आई एम नॉट इवन सेइंग इन अ बैड वे कि ब्रो थेरेपी सबको ही करना चाहिए बट ब्रो थेरेपी की जरूरत है rather than fucking you going around and doing all this bullshit.
And also I think and I feel कि चलो अगर तुम्हारा आपस में कुछ है, चालू है, कुछ अरेंजमेंट है, तुम करते रहो. बट जैसे इस बंदे ने बोला कि आई डोंट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड ही हैज आल्सो मेंशन दैट 1 week into talking she has told me, तेरे बायो में क्यों नहीं है फर्स्ट थिंग, या तूने एकदम स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द चैट में क्यों नहीं किया डिस्क्लोज फर्स्ट थिंग. वो एक हफ्ता बच जाता, उसका भी तेरा भी. एंड देन एक हफ्ता अच्छे से लाइक बात करने के बाद तू उसको बोल रही है कि ऐसा ऐसा है, एंड देन कॉलिंग हिम इनसिक्योर. जबकि अगर मैं किसी बंदी से एक हफ्ता बात कर रहा हूँ, एक हफ्ते के बाद वो अगर मेरे को फिर बोल रही है कि ऐसा ऐसा सीन है, आई एम मैरिड, आई एम लाइक इन अ पॉली रिलेशनशिप एटसेट्रा, एंड तो उसके बाद फिर बंदे का राइट है ना गुस्सा होने का.
Exactly,
एक हफ्ते तक तूने नहीं बताया, तेरे बायो में नहीं है, तेरे प्रेफरेंसेस में कहीं भी नहीं लिखा है, उसके बाद भी ही इज बीइंग नाइस, एंड उसके बाद तो उसको बोल रही कि यू आर इनसिक्योर. मतलब just doesn't make sense, doesn't add up.
Psychotic, bro. Genuinely psychotic. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We have discussed our opinions, our thoughts. You guys let us know if we were right, we were wrong. What do you guys think? And yeah, let us know if we should do this segment again. We probably might because you guys won't tell us. But yeah.
And also let us know कि while for discussing this, are we also overreacting?
Exactly.
क्योंकि काफी बार रहता है हमको डेप्थ में चले जाते हैं, उतना over analyzing नहीं चाहिए रहता है.
Yeah.
So are we overreacting? And if there is any other segment that we should do?
Yeah. If you guys have any ideas, just text both of us, any of us, imposters से message डाल दो, कुछ भी कर लो, comments पे डाल दो, and we'll probably do some research and do that segment.
Yeah, hopefully.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. We'll be back next Sunday. Please subscribe to this channel. Peace.